Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your Easter Sunday version of the Posh Premiere. Today I have kind of random things because I didn't get any suggestions on what people wanted to see. But I do have a couple of things I want to show you. I do have a men's item too, because I want y'all to know that there's, maybe one or two men's items there. So that may be something that you want to pick. And I also want to remind you that there's one more day for our super fantastic special. Now, if you're watching this and you're not a member of Bargain Babes, I'm sorry. But if you go ahead and run over there and join Bargain Babes, you too can get in on this special. So without further ado, I'm going to show you my items and then I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of your Easter Sunday evening. Thank you so much for being here with me, and do not forget to subscribe. Here we go. First up, I have this vest. This is faux leather, obviously, but it looks kind of like a biker type item. But it's a cute little vest, and I think if you live in one of the cooler areas, you still have time to wear this. The back is just plain. It's kind of like a stretchy fabric. But it's really cute, and it's a size small, and it's by INC, International Concepts. Size small. Get it on the Poshmark page. Next up is this dress or duster by Forever 21. It has like a rounded bottom, if you can see that. It's very sheer. Now, I think if you button it all the way down, you can wear it as a dress, but if you want to leave it open, it can certainly serve you well as a duster. Here's the sleeves, one button on the sleeves. Here's the back. And again, this is really sheer. It's by Forever 21 and it's a size small. Next up is this jacket for my curvy sisters. This jacket is really sheer. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, so you probably need to wear something underneath it. It has the roll-up, button-up type sleeves on the side, so you can adjust that if you want. Here's what the back looks like. It's really cute. It's by Ruby Road, and it's a size 16W. Ruby Road 16W. Next up is this really classic skirt. This is a skirt by Talbot's. I'm going to show you the detail that's in it. Look at the little belt loops, but I don't think you have to put a belt on there. I think it's more like for decoration. It's fully lined. See that? There's a split at the back. And again, this is by Talbot's, and this is a size 14. It's a navy blue color. It may look black in your in the camera, but it's definitely navy blue. Talbot, size 14. Next up is a skirt. This is a cute little spring skirt. This too is fully lined, as you can see. Put this down. It has the kind of pink lining, but it doesn't go all the way, to the bottom. I'm going to say that this skirt is going to be probably a little bit past knee length. Here's the back. Of course, there's some elastic in the back of it. This skirt is by Venezia Jeans, and it's a size 18/20. Nice spring, so you can wear a little pink shell with it and keep it moving. Next up is this cute little dress. This one is by Forever 21 as well. It's a size small. The sleeves are elasticized and sheer. The dress itself, well, it has an exposed zipper at the back. You see that? And it also is fully lined. It has a black lining. Now, I'm especially fond of this because it has my Carolina Gamecock colors. Y'all know how I feel about that. So this is Forever 21, size small. And again, I hate to sound like a broken record, but y'all need to get in on these deals now. You got one more day. This here is a cover-up, or it's just a nice summer shirt. It has little sparkles on the inside. I'm not sure if they're picking up on the camera, but it has an open front and it's also mesh at the back. The sleeves are kind of plain, but they do have a little hem on them. And this item is by Sand and Sun. And it says, let me see what size this is. I think it's like a one size fits all, but y'all know how that is. So let me show you. There's no stretch at all in this. There are little splits on the side. So this is cute for, you know, vacation wear. Next up is this shirt by Sophie Max. Now this shirt has like the dolman sleeves and it has a little band at the bottom, if you can see that. This is extremely stretchy fabric. This is a size medium, but I think you can go beyond medium. It's a nice stretch fabric. It's a beautiful fuchsia color with the dolman sleeves. Next up is this nice spring dress. This dress is an extra large. Now I really like the little ribbon detail in the waist, but it just falls straight down. Again, there's a lot of stretch in this. This is a size extra large, and it's by Isaac Mizrahi, if I'm saying that right, Mizrahi. Here's the sleeves. I don't know if here's the sleeves over here. There's a little bit of detailing in the back, but this is a nice, cool looking dress, I think. And then you see the kind of like a V-neck. This dress is just cute as a button, and it's by Buttons. If you see that, you see the bottom trim. This too has a lining. It's blue. It has the sleeves that you can button up and adjust them. It has a little bit of a, I guess, pleat in the back. But this is a really cute dress. And this one is a size small. And again, it's by Buttons. I got a couple of skirts here to show you. This is Target brand. This is by Morona, and it's a size 10. It's almost like a purple color at the bottom. It's like a linen, it feels like a linen type fabric. It does have a pocket. Well, pockets. It has 2 pockets, and it has a zipper right here on the side. This, I think, is going to be above the knee. Morona, size 10. Again, for our curvy sisters, I'm going to take this off the hanger so you can see it. This skirt is by, let's see, it's by Lifestyle Woman, and it's a 1X. And it's kind of like a gauzy type fabric, but it does have some detailing, if you can see that. And then at the bottom, it looks kind of like a tie-dye pattern, but you can see the little stitching all throughout it. No pockets on this one. This is just like a pull-up. You just pull it up. But this is a size 1X, and it's by Lifestyle Woman. Next up is another skirt. This one I'm going to take off the hanger too so you can see it better. This skirt is by, let's see, Mix Nouveau, and this is a size extra large. This too has kind of a gauzy, cottony feel to it, but it has the different patterns throughout. It's very nicely made. It has a side zipper. See that? And this, I think, will be kind of like a midi, like, you know, midway between your knee and your ankle. But it has a nice pattern in it, nice stitching, and it has just a regular banded waist. There's no stretch in the waist there. So that's another one that's cute. Get in on the deal, folks. This one is another mini skirt. This skirt is by Talbot's. It's a size 6P. It has a side zipper. Let me see if it's lined. Yes, this too is lined. It's a navy blue lining. This too feels kind of like a linen fabric. There's no pockets or anything on it. Just has that side zipper. but it's a cute little pattern that's on there. Now these, I'm going to take this off the hanger so you can see. These are a men's item. This is Nike Dry Fit. Let me see what they're calling these. All right, so these are Nike Dry Fit, and I'm calling these track pants. I don't see a name that they have on them. But these are a size large. They're kind of like a silky fabric. They do have a little zipper here at the side, if you can see that. It doesn't go too far up, but it starts at the bottom of the pants and goes up. Then there's this little pattern at the back, little stitching along the legs. You can see that. Let me see what else it has. There's 2 pockets. And of course you got the little swoosh thing happening over there. They're elasticized. They have a drawstring. See that? And they're a size large, dry fit, and they are new with tags. All right, so don't think we don't have anything for the guys, because I just showed you that we do. And next, before I go, I'm going to show you a couple of other little beachy kind of things that I got in. This, y'all, is so cute. Look at the little shells on there. Now, I don't think, you can't hold that much in there, but it is a cute little pattern. You can put a few little things in there. You put your suntan lotion, your sunglasses, your phone. Let me show you this is how the strap looks. And then inside, well, you got a little zipper across the top, but then on the inside you have a little pocket there, but not much else. I don't think you can get that much stuff in here, but it is a cute little bag to carry to the beach. Then I have this one. This one is really cute. This is handmade. It says handmade in Thailand. And these look like little seed beads, sort of. Look how that hangs off the back. This is a crossbody, because you see how long this strap is. And then on the inside, there is a zipper. But then on the inside, you can see the stitching where I guess they stitched the beads on. So I guess they're proving to you that it's handmade. This one you can't get much in, I don't think, but it is a little cutie. It does zipper, and then it has the little beads hanging off of it. This is on the Poshmark closet. And then I have this hat that I meant to show you last time, but I forgot. But this is a little straw hat. Now it's rolled up, but I don't know how it would look rolled down, but that would be up to you. It has this little strap, not strap, you know, a little, I'm going to call it a crocheted ribbon around it. It's not that big, but it's very sturdy. And this is by Surfwear, and it says 1 size. But I thought that was a little cute for your little vacation beach wear ensembles. And then, of course, I have these shoes here that I've displayed. You've seen these. These are Skechers. These are a size 11. They're still available. I showed these a couple of weeks ago. Gianni beanie shoes. They're kind of like a stretch shoe. It looks like it's a knit. These are small. These are 6.5. Then I have your standard Toms. These are red canvas. These are 7.5. You have these cute little sandals. These are Alex Marie. These are a size 9 medium. They have kind of like a, I don't know, snakeskin pattern, I guess you would say. Slingback styling. That's the bottom of them. And then I have another casual pair. These are by, let's see, these are Kenneth Cole Reaction. These are a size 9, and they're just basic flat, like espadrille type shoes. Little elastic right in here. Nice and flat. And they got a little shine to them. So, there you go. That's all we have to show you for today. I'm going to regroup and go ahead and film Thursday's video. But go ahead, go to the site, the Poshmark site, get this stuff, get this deal, because you got one more day, and I hate for y'all to miss out. So enjoy the rest of your Easter Sunday evening. Thank you for your viewing tonight, and I hope that you have a great Sunday night. Thank you.